Muster station, a designed area where individuals gather during an emergency for safety, accountability, and further instruction commonly found on ships, offshore platforms, and large facilities. Muster stations serve as assembly points for crew members, passengers, or employees in case of fire, evacuation, or other emergencies. Each muster station is clearly marked and equipped with essential safety equipment such as life jacket, emergency supplies, and communication devices. Personnel are required to report to their assigned muster station during drills or rail emergencies to ensure an orderly evacuation and to facilities headcounts, improving overall safety and emergency response. Fire alarm. Upon hearing the fire alarm, crew members proceed to their master station, don firefighting gear, and follow the fire response plan. Fire teams attempt to extinguish the fire while others assist in containment, communication, and potential evacuation. General alarm. A general alarm signals any emergency crew members who immediately report to their master.
Ikaw.
General alarm signals any emergency crew members immediately report to their master station, don't life jackets, and await further instructions from the captain or officer in charge. Drills ensure readiness. Abandon ship alarm. Upon hearing the abandon ship signal, crew members gather at master station, collect emergency gear, board lifeboats, and an orderly manner and prepare for evacuation under the captain's command. Man overboard signal. The ship sounds three prolonged blast. The crew throws life buoys, mark the location, and alerts the bridge. Rescue boats are deployed while lookout personnel maintain visual contact. CO2 alarm. A CO2 alarm indicates fire suppression gas release. Crew evacuates the affected area immediately, seals compartments, and follows safety protocols to avoid suffocation. Only authorized personnel manage CO2 deployment. Engineer's call. A signal summoning engineers to the engine room for urgent technical assistance or machinery failure. Engineers respond quickly to diagnose and resolve mechanical issues. Cargo hold flooding. When flooding is detected, crew members assess the extent of damage, activate bilge pump, and reinforce watertight compartments. Reports are sent to